Anytime a third party comes into a company which involves evaluating their job, their duties, their skill sets, one can understandably become nervous.
In my beginnings with Sean was somewhat confrontational, defensive.
Sean did a good job of assuring that this was all heading towards positive results.
It looks very scary when you first look at it, but it was nice because I felt I wasn't doing this alone.
I dropped my guard and he helped me get through that defensiveness. I am who I am today. I feel that the company is more secure and on the same page. Now we're all on one agenda. We're moving forward in a positive way.
We found that Cogent was very flexible, understood where we wanted to go, and then worked side by side to customize an approach that would give us the results that we were looking for.